2017 Kia Sorento. The Kia Sorento is a comfortable riding, powerful compact SUV loaded with impressive standard features. Take one look at its stylish, sleek design and you'll want to cross over to a Sorento. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, Bluetooth, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, keyless ignition, security system, rear window defroster, CD player, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, brake assist, overhead console, park sense park assist. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.